Hello everyone. Now once again, though I sent you the PPT and all explanation of advertisement, but I feel that many of you are not doing it and many of you are not doing it properly. So once again, I am explaining it properly. So this is advertisement, short composition. This carries 5 marks. 5. The word limit should not exceed 50 words. That is there. So this advertisement is divided into two parts it is. One is classified and one is commercial. This is also called as display, also called as non-classified. So basically we can think that advertisement is divided into two parts. It is of two kinds, classified and non-classified. Now let me explain you first classified advertisement. Now the very first thing is situation vacant. You must have seen in the newspaper on the left hand side page, the whole page is written on the top classified. So that is what all classified is here. So the very first type of under classified, the very first advertisement is situation vacant. Now see, when we talk about situation vacant, it is related to institution. That means suppose in any institution or any organization, any situation, any place is vacant, like they are looking for some jobs. So vacancies are there in that organization or situation, so they go for situation vacant. So we make a box and on the top we do write here situation vacant and then the details. That I will explain you later on. Now the second thing is situation wanted, right? Situation wanted when we talk about. So wanted is personal. Maybe that I am studying in college, but that too I have time and I want to teach some other students, so I can put up my advertisement into it, right? Suppose I am a dance teacher and I want to teach dance to a group of the students, so I can mention that I am available. So in place of wanted, you can also write available. Fine? Like dance teacher available, tutor available, fine, accountant available. So that kind of heading can be put up. Now coming on to the third, to let. To let on, that means on rent. To let, that means we want to keep something higher. We want to give on rent something. It can be a land, it can be a bungalow, it can be any space, fine. It can be any flat, so it has to be, it is to let. Then or specifically when you are writing the heading, you can mention flat on rent, fine, bungalow on rent, that can be also written. Now moving on to the next is sale and purchase. Sale and purchase of anything, whether it is land, vehicle, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, so that can be mentioned, whether you want to sell it, whether you want to purchase it. It can be electronics, it can be furniture also second hand. Then coming to the next, missing people, missing person, any person is missing, so for that you can put up the advertisement. Missing animal at times, fine. Then lost and found. So earlier classes we have done lost and found notices, no? Now here it is lost and found advertisement. Anything is lost, that means any your documents are lost, that can be mentioned, or any precious thing, your jewelry is lost, that can be mentioned, or the same thing are found. Then for that also again the advertisement can be put up. See, all these advertisement we put for in a one go, all the people get to know about it. Now tours and travels, that is very much people know about it. Tours and travels, we have any packages there, so for that we are putting it up. And what are facilities we are giving, so that is to be mentioned in tours and travels. Now matrimonial. Matrimonial is related to for groom and bride, fine. So for that already I gave up in PPT, I gave you one example is already given, so according to that you are supposed to write. Now I am explaining you once, like I found so many of you are writing sentences, so please make sure no sentences are to be put up, fine. And then content should be to the point. You need to only pick up the words, you don't have to frame the sentence to write it, fine. Then description. Suppose to let if we are going for, so we are suppose in case if I am selling a car, so I need to write the description, what which car is that and what all facilities are there, that means comforts are there in that vehicle, so that is to be mentioned. Then address and contact number. Now as I said you, as I told you that no sentences, that doesn't mean that you are writing in points, not in points. That means it should be written in a paragraph form, putting commas one after the other. So this is what all classified advertisement is about, and I do expect that this time we are going to write better, and everyone is writing for the same. Fine. Now moving on to the commercial advertisement. The most important thing for commercial advertisement, as I mentioned here, display and non-classified. It is totally commercial purpose. That means it is commercially. That means suppose we are launching a product, there is a sale, or there is anything which you want to make people aware about it. So make sure non-classified advertisements are not posters. Fine. So because these are mentioned for commercial purpose, so that is why they are not posters. Fine. Social issues we are not talking about here. So when we are going for commercial purpose, now see what the things we need to take care. Pictorial, it has to be pictorial. Like, or suppose if you are not good in making pictures, then you can go for sketches. Fine. Visually attractive, that means the moment you see the advertisement, like you feel very good, yes, something is there, so you feel right reading it down. Maybe suppose a discount is there, so maybe that discount attracts you. Fine. So that has to be there. Any kind of font and size. Now here you are not given the specific thing of font and size. You can go the way you want. You can go diagonal, you can go vertical, you can go horizontal. Fine. Catchy words should be there. That means the word should be used in such a manner that those words strike in your mind at once the moment you read it out. Right. So that has to be there. Then make sure that you are writing a tagline also. Fine. Tagline has to be there for your product, your advertisement, because generally many products are known by their taglines. Fine. We may not know the quality of the product, but we are very much familiar about those products because of their taglines and their jingles. Jingles are small singing things, right? So that is to be there. And one more thing, it has to be spacious. That means you are not going to make it very hodgepodge. Fine. Utilize the whole page to make commercial advertisement. Don't make it on a half page, because when you make it on a half page, then and the content is more enough, then you try to adjust those things. Fine. So it becomes so messy and it becomes so hodgepodge. So make sure that you are taking proper space. The whole page should be utilized to make the commercial advertisement. Now I do expect and I hope that you must have understood this explanation. Even if not, you are always most welcome to ask me. And one more request to everyone, because this topic is very important and easy to score 5 marks. So the only thing required is you need to understand it and practice. Until and unless you practice, you won't be able to write. Thank you very much.